Let's look at the phrase conceptual seesaw and discuss what this phrase means and give some examples of how to use it in a sentence. So what does the phrase conceptual seesaw mean? A conceptual seesaw is typically used as a metaphor to describe a situation of give and take. Each side of the seesaw involves a concept, such as two individuals weighing up their options or considerations for a certain decision. You could also think of it as a balance of interests, where one or both sides have identified what they could potentially gain or lose. To demonstrate this concept further, let's look at a few examples. In the first example, two people are discussing a job offer, where person A wants to stay in their current job and person B is considering taking the job. Person B might say, It's like a conceptual seesaw. I want the job, but I hesitate because I'm comfortable in my existing role." In this next example, two people are discussing the pros and cons of moving to a new house. One person may state, "It's like a conceptual seesaw. There are advantages to either staying in this house or looking for another one." Finally, two friends might be debating whether they should go on a trip. One might say, "It's like a conceptual seesaw. We both want to go, but we're also worried about missing out on things at home." We hope that these examples help you get a better understanding of what the phrase conceptual seesaw means and how it can be used in conversation. It is important to remember that the phrase implies a balance of interests and gives us insight into the reasoning behind why people may make particular decisions. Thanks for watching.